Depende.
Depende daw sa ano yan, sa ano daw makukuha mong sa test or something. Basta ganun din sa pinsan ko eh. Kung ano,
Nag-click.
first
dead.
second.
I'm getting a black woman. Wait, nandito yung teammate niya, no?
Mamatay ka na.
Yeah, I think so. Napatay ko muna yung black woman, no?
Bro.
Wait, never mind. Nakabak. Patay ko rin yung teammate niya.
Patay rin kita, bro.
Oh no! You fucker!
Naririnig ko yung ano, bro, yung lightning sa katabi ko lang.
Oh
Ano to?
shoot!
Oh shit!
Deathmatch.
Mason, go Mason!
Ano?
Dalawa kami. Oh, wala pa pala, bro.
5 seconds.
Sa isa Mason!
Bro, no. Wala akong bow. Wala
Eight,
akong
seven.
chest
Mason,
plate.
go Mason!
Wala akong chest plate. Wala akong chest plate.
No, ba't ka nag-bow?
Yes,
May kakampi na
yes,
siya.
kami, bro. Get him. Get him. I take full credit. I take full credit.
Ito pa lang yan kung tutuusin. Oh, ito. Sino
You
to?
know, dalawa yan, bro. I ain't going in there. May kalaban.
Oh, tagal
may naka-diamond sa
ng
likod mo, bro.
region.
Takbo,
Holy
iwan mo na yan. May kakampi mo pala yan.
Yeah.
Wala kami yan.
Oh, and then... Sobrang tagal naman ng region, bro.
Rest in peace. Yeah, ganyan yung sa 1.8 yung region. Oh, buhay pa si Mason. Oops. I'm sorry, bro. Nung namatay si Pian, akala ko patay na lahat, bro. I'm sorry.
Bro, I got protection 3. Then you do that? What the hell, brother? Bro,
It's okay, bro. Magkakampi tayo, bro.
Wait lang, lipad ako dyan.
Bamboo and sugarcane
What?
farm.
Oh my... Go! What the fuck?
No way.
What?
No way.
Butasin mo nga to.
Pangilang
Nalaglag ako,
beses
tapos biglang
ka na.
sumabog yung creeper.
Ilang beses ka na
Bro,
namatay sa creeper.
Sisave ko yung clip. What in the goddamn fuck was that? Help!
Hello?
May items madidispawn.
Saan?
Ano yan, farm?
Yung
Yung
block
farm.
Ginawa XP farm.
Ginawang farm. Diniretso kalkyo ko.
Bro.
Wait, Pemdas ba? Wala may sinabi ba?
Brother.
Lapu-lapu. Favorite color ko yan, come on.
Black.
Uy! Oh!
bro.
Wait, that...
What happened?
I didn't think it would activate, bro. I was just...
Bro, it's a redstone machine.
But... nawala, bro.
Pinindot mo ba ulit?
Oh.
Wait. Wait.
Oops.
Ayan, go.
Na-spring lock
Did I
niya, bro.
hit so much?
Spring lock.
Try na.
Kopal. Hi.
Hashtag beater. Tawa.
Stupid. Oh, don't do it. Not the lava, bro. No, don't pull me to lava. Bro, I hate you.
Kung mamahalin.
Ah! Okay, what the fuck? Bro, may isa pa, man. May paka. No, not the lava, please.
Ano ka?
Don't do it. I fucking hate this guy. Okay.
Tito Peak
Oh.
content.
Uy, kung... Ah, bro, okay. Oh!
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 What? Bigla na lang mawawala yung HP mo, bro.
Medyo?
Magod lang, wala na.
Wala, okay. Hindi ka magkukwento, what happened?
No, tumalo lang ako talaga.
Okay.
Give us a heads up,
Bro.
maybe.
Maybe,
okay.
tell us, you know.
Pwede mo, bro. Hindi yung tahimik ka lang.
Try, let's fight him,
Meron
bro.
sa taas na. Ayan o.
Bro, basag yung shield.
Hello.
My
Ah!
God.
Basag shield ko! Basag shield ko! Ah!
My God, guys!
Eat!
Walang
Wala,
hunger.
wala. Patay na, patay.
Oh my God!
What you put?
Let's fight him. Nakalimutan ko ba shared ano.
Naka-axe yan, bro.
Kung may Iron Golem, I would
Ooh,
consider,
nice.
man. Kung may
Break
Iron
that one.
Golem.
Break that.
I think we stop na here. Andito na yun natin.
Oh, naka-ano kasi mo, diagonal, bro.
Drowning.
Wait, don't block me, bro. Ayan. Air, bro, air.
Guys,
Air dito, crouch sa mag.
Sure ba kayo nandito?
Walang kay Mason.
I believe.
Lalim naman. Shouldn't it be like
Where?
ocean level?
This is a
bro?
water cave. Ooh,
Wala.
diamonds.
oh my
Guys.
God.
Yo, so's dying.
Yo!
Come on, let's not die.
Does that help?
Hello?
Guys? Reason? Oh my god, bro. Buti binlock ko, bro. Madodrone na siya, bro. Uy!
Uy! What?
What the f***?
How'd you die?
Bro!
Guys, come on.
Wait, sino na-drown? Sino nag-drown?
CJ.
How?
Last heart.
Ako? Oh my
Yeah.
God!
Oh my god. Nakaka-crouch ako. You have
Bro,
to
I
be
was
crouched.
focused kay Mason, bro. Hindi ko nakita sarili ko.
You have to be crouched, bro. You have to be crouched para bumalik yung hininga.
Yeah.
So, I was
Tas literal
wondering
one
like,
heart na sila.
like ano, nag-stop yung damage ng 1 hour, tapos biglang nagka-damage ulit.
Start again.
So wow, bro, I'm saving
I think-
that. Ito, I wanna watch the replay.
Okay.
I can stream the replay, bro.
Bro, I remember kumakain ako nun. Tapos,
Okay.
that's why.
Ito. Mute ko na lang. Yan. Tayo, nagda-damage si Mason.
Biglang nawala yung ano ko, bubbles ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit eh.
Inano
Alam mo, nakaka-crouch naman ako, pero-
binlock ko kasi, bro. Ayan, oh.
Baka napa-out ka sa ano.
Oo nga, baka
Sa
na-out ako sa magma.
Dalawa kasi kami sharing. Wait, dalawa yun. Napa-out na siya. Ayun siya. Binlock ko para makahinga si Mason.
Pero kumakain pa ako yun. oh.
Yes. Tapos sinira niya ulit. Wala ka ata sa magma. Hindi na. Bumul. Yeah, si CJ pero full pa yung bubbles ko. Half a heart na lang uminto. Nag-regen na for a few seconds.
Kala, tinawag yung position ko, kala ko nasa magma pa din ako.
Exact.
Ang dami kong doors. Like, meron akong tatlo, bro. I should have given.
Nag-share kami ng isang magma. Why?
You're dead.
Bro, what is that? Okay. Wait, this might be goated. Okay.
No.
did. No, you did that, right? You did that.
I wouldn't do that.
Okay.
What?
You did it.
What?
You did it.
I'd
Okay.
never do that, bro.
You
What?
did it. You did.
Ano may sabihin yan? Ah, okay, ganun ba yun? Mhm.
Yeah, brother. Fuck you. Give me a card. Fuck you. You're dead. You're fucking
Oh,
dead.
I'm dead, bro. Bro, dalawa yung angel ko, bro.
Fuck you, brother.
Ow, ow, okay. You can aim. My aim's better. Ah! Ba't may... Oh, tungin na mo. Oh my
Mine.
god, bro.
Ayun, may armor, may
Yung
armor.
nagulat ako sa mask mo. Tumagos ka sa character ko, tapos yung nakita ko yung mask mo. Akala ko may gagamba. What the fuck? Oh my
Gagamba,
god,
bro.
napatalon ako dun, gago. Ow! There is lava wall behind me. Ow! Ow, 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 ow.
Everything exploding.
Uh-oh, it's the undodgeable attack.
Infernal Inferno. Can I shoot the Inferno?
I'm spamming, bro. I'm spamming dodge, bro. It's not, bro. You cannot dodge that shit.
Bro, I live. Bro, I live.
What? Nice, very good.
Yeah, very
Ow, 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 ow. Lava wall,
I'm
madness.
dead. I'm dead.
Lava wall.
Lava wall. Ow, 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 ow. I'm on my last life, guys. How many lives do you have?
I have 3.
Okay, we can win this very easy. Ow, ow.
I have no more stamina. I'm gonna die.
No, stay away from my brother.
Shit. I'm dead.
You dead? Bro, just 1k. 1k more. 1k more. 1k more. 1k more. 1k more.
Please die. Please die.
Just die, brother.
die.
Yes, yes.
Yes, I'm alive. Ting 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 ting. Bilis naman mapagod ng character na to. Oh, nangulog ka pala dun. Bro, tuming... Pagsilip ko, nakita ko katawan mo sa spikes.
Alam mo sa 237 tsaka 137.
Yeah,
Sa
bro.
137, sa physics yan.
Ano? What does that mean, bro?
Paulit-ulit na lumalabas na number for some reason.
Oh. Ano yung 237? Do I rename myself 337 now? Akin yung 4 actually. I'm gonna be 437, bro, kasi favorite number ko
Yung
4.
237 birthday ko. Tapos yung 7 birthday ng crush ko.
No way, bro.
Yeah.
What? Okay.
Bro, asan yung ano? Nawala yung ano?
Yeah. What? Oh, good.
Nawala yung spectate.
Bro, kita ko. Si Damito Cosita Black version. Oh, no. Bro. Oh, no, not allowed, bro. I'm gonna loop you, bro. I can do this for days. How do I report your ass? Oh, God, he goes fast! Bro, daya, nagka-bloodlust ka agad.
Dalhin niyo ako for real.
I mean, I'm here already, bro. Baka maiwan ko bro, stuck yung katawan mo. Hindi kita mag-drag. Nasa ilalim ko ng bench. What is that?
Guys, gusto niyo good axe?
Nakita mo ba yan?
Yeah.
Guys, gusto niyo
What
good
is...
axe?
Yeah, I
Hello?
cannot bring you, bro.
Gusto niyo good axe?
You're too...
Asan? Bakit?
Ako.
What happened?
Me. I want it.
I will go
What
back
up?
to the camp.
Bro,
May naka-
yung camera ko na-stuck sa ilalim.
Okay guys,
Hindi
I'm
ko
here.
madrag, bro.
Paano
Paano ko ni-revive ka, bro? Diyan ka na lang sa ilalim. Minsan, tanggalin mo nga si Ben mo. Hindi ko mahila.
Oh, no, pwede ko.
Tanggalin niyo, bro. Stuck si Ben. Ayun. Here we go. May camera
Hey,
moving.
ma'am, come. Come. Here.
There you go. Yung camera, bro. Hindi ko matanggal. So, watchtower ba yan?
I don't fucking know what this is, bro. Wait, man.
It's a castle, bro. It's a
Kailangan
temple,
sunugin.
bro.
You help
Wala
me,
pa
bro.
taga kayo nahanap na, no? Na,
Bro, tulungan mo siya magbukas. Bro,
Open the door. Open.
wala kasing help bar. I don't know yung progress natin.
Barney the dinosaur. Ay, wait. Ba't yun siya magsalita? Oh, puto sumabit, bro. Oh, that chest, bro. Open that chest.
I have this.
Oh, revolver, bro. Give me that.
Mo sa base, di ba?
Bro, we're gonna die, bro. Gabi na, bro.
Oh, God. Bro, saan yung axe, bro? Yung axe yung pinunta ko dito.
Nasa base na.
Oh, God. Nabulok ko siya, bro. Shh. Bumakit siya, bro. He doesn't know. Bro's tunneling. I'm one of you. I'm eating someone. Okay. Bro, nauna pa yung monster sa akin sa fucking... Oh God. Don't see me. Oh no!
Have a nice adventure.
Ito kayo dyan. Sino may nakagawa ng sto? Saan si Bien? Saan dito si
But that's
Bien, bro?
not
Hinahanap ko siya to, bro.
Ba't may black guys sa map?
What?
Raider.
Try.
Aba, he's gonna scam you, bro.
Uy ba?
He's gonna steal your stuff, bro.
Okay, good luck, bro.
Punta ko lang.
Oh.
Okay. Wow! Meron kaming Axe Mason, bro. Oh, what is this?
Open the door.
Bro! Nasastak ko siya. Oh! Don't turn around, bro. Don't turn around, bro.
how do we survive that?
Bro, where do I go, bro?
Oh no. Bro!
Nakita ka?
Mabalupim. Oh, bro, pupunta ka sa kanya.
Ikaw din.
Ano ka, bro?
I'm fucking dead, bro.
It heard that.
You're so dead,
Yeah,
bro.
run. Oh, good
Pasok
sa
sa kabin! Pasok sa kabin!
Oh my God, bro! Nandiyan!
Pasok sa kabin! Pasok kayo sa kabin! Pasok sa kabin! Sa kabin!
No, bro! No, it's not safe here, bro!
Oh, di ba? I told you!
I'm dead.
Pasok sa kabin! Pasok sa kabin! Pasok sa kabin! Pasok sa kabin!
Hindi safe. Hindi safe.
Tayo sa bahay, bro. Tayo sa bahay.
Ano ba? Nandiyan pumunta yun kanina eh. Nandiyan kami ni minasakar ni Ben, bro. Tapos pinapunta mo. Sabi, pasok ko sa cabin, bro. Ben, sa may rope? Oh my God.
Oh, you're dead. You're dead.
Kaya tumakbo, parang nag-tumakbo.
Oh, no, bro! What is that, bro? Nah. Nah, bro, I'm dead. I'm dead, bro.
How the fuck do we survive that?
Pasok ko sa cabin. Diyan nga kami namatay kanina.
Wait, yung...
Ano ginawa mo, bro? Why are you slicing them open, man? Oh, money! Fuck you, bro.
Battery, bro. May battery.
No.
Saan ko yun? What the hell?
Money!
Nakuha ka rin yung...
Uy, bro.
May
Muntikan
daga,
pa
bro.
ako
May daga. Yung mantrat, bro.
Oh, just look at it, bro.
Hindi narinig ako.
Money!
Money! Money! Yes, mine!
Money!
Ako. Ay, never mind. Kuha lang po yun.
Ano po ba?
Money!
Ah,
Give
to?
me hand.
Need
Give him
bone?
the... I have the bone. Here you
Yo.
go.
Oh, kal.
I give you the
What did
ball.
that do?
On a hole.
Watch. Oh, bro.
Wow,
I think
you're
ito lang
like,
yung perk ng class ko.
you're like Jesus, bro. Thank you.
Oh, crop
Si
kay
Jesus,
Sika, bro.
bread,
We did
tsaka
see
wine,
it.
bro. Sa'yo, patatas, bro.
Naman guguho yung buong ano bro.
Oy, what the hell?
Oh no! Gumuguho. Oh shit. Oh shit, bro, yung ladder! Bro, nasira yung ladder! Bro! Bro! Help! Hey, you wanna go? You wanna go? Oh, halika dito. Ba't di ko naririnig yung beep? Ba't di ko rinig yung beep?
Di ko rin narinig, di ko rin narinig.
Boom, snipe. Oh, last second! Makita mo yun? Kasi fucking sucks. Oh, pares tayo! Two of us are gonna die, bro. One of us has to die. Kailangan natin siya patayin. Habulin ko, batuin mo. No. No! No!
Paano
No, man! Dito matama! What is that?
hindi ko matama?
No!
Ba't hindi ito matama? What the fuck is that?
Wala ko patay na siya, bro. Alam ko patay. Okay. We fight, bro. Bro, ba't Hulk? Gaya kayo dalawang Elmots, dalawang Hulk. Let's cross team, bro.
Bro, kick na naman ako!
Oh,
What nandyan si Hulk?
Smash.
Bro, nakick ako!
Ano,
I don't know how to fix that car.
What?
Hit him with the car. I'm beating up crazy.
Ano to? How it works?
Car.
Yeah, para to gumana.
Bro, may 1v1 ba na? Duel split. What the fuck is that?
Car.
Para to gumana. At nandyan si fucking Hulk. And Pokemon.
Car.
What am I doing?
Car.
Bro, wala akong
Kala ko
magagawa.
tumatama yung mga ano.
Good works na lang,
What am I
brother.
doing?
Car. Throw him with the car, bro.
Wala kasi si Cookie Monster.
Car.
Wala kasi si Cookie Monster.
Car. I have so much health, bro.
One more hit and you'll see my house from up there.
Dami
Siya
ko
din,
nga.
ah.
Wait, clean up
Wait.
that, bro. You fucking.
What the fuck?
Bro, nakick ako. Ba't ako nakick? What the
With the
fuck?
car.
What am I doing?
Hit him with the car.
No, I'm done. Lahat maninig ko lang puro smash.
Bro. Oh! Blast off the map. Car.
CJ, laro kayo Honor of Kings. Wala ko ibang kalaro.
Sakit yun, sakit yung kick na yan.
Bro, I have no health. No way, going for me, no.
Sige, smash!
No, wait,
Agad.
what? Lumapad ako.
Bro, sabi ko sa'yo, masakit niya si Cookie Monster.
Car. Oh god,
Come here, little boy.
1 HP, bro.
Come here, little boy. Come here.
Ay, hindi ko na dash oh.
Bro, wala na ako.
Hello?
Respawning. Oh, mag-respawn ka pa.
Nice. Smash, smash.
What?
May lag. Ng Honor.
Smash.
Wouldn't like that to happen to me.
Bro, I don't
Sino
understand
boss?
shit.
Ewan. Si ano
Where the
ata yung
fuck are you
Cookie
at?
Monster. Pokemon ata yun.
Malakas yun si Cookie Monster.
Car.
Hindi, yung parang weird na boss.
Ay, yung pinaka-OP dyan eh.
Baka si
Oh,
Cookie Monster. Oh, yung
Bro, I cannot hit. What is this? Car.
Cookie.
Oh no, napunta ko sa
Patay.
middle.
Yeah. I can
Bro,
try
bakit
harder
nawala
than
ako?
you.
Nalo.